Hello, I'm Muttonstyle. I want to talk to you about FabFitFun because they have started to deliver to the UK from the US. It's a quarterly subscription box and I will tell you about it at the end of the video. But what I will do now is go into the unboxing. So inside my box I have got a body souffle. Human and Kind's 2-in-1 light and fluffy body souffle is quickly absorbed to leave your skin feeling super moisturised. No animal testing, suitable for vegans, ethically sourced and paraben free. So yes, very good, liking that. I have got the Aveda damage repair for the hair. I selected the Bauble Bar ear crawlers. I've never used ear crawlers and I thought that would be quite an interesting experiment. We don't get Bauble Bar in the UK. I also selected the cheese board. Honestly, I'm going through quite a cheese board phase at the moment. I like my cheese boards. A year ago I didn't have any. Anyway, we have used cheese boards. We have people over and I found the one I have got, that I have bought, not big enough. So little supplementary cheese boards I thought is what I need, and so I selected this cheese board, which actually, to open it up, this one, it comes with knife and fork, but also that plate there is removable. So that's an attractive little set. A skin toner because I'm running out, and this is Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy. I thought give that one a go. I didn't select these, but these are sugar scrubs when I came in the box. All of this was about £50. Nice woolen scarf. This was one of the categories, and that is navy and white. It's plush apparel, ultra soft plaid scarf. 70% polyester, viscous, 30% viscous. Hand wash separately in cold water. Do not bleach. Dry flat. Do not iron. Do not dry clean. Be nice for the winter going to work. And I also self-selected the hair towel because I have got a couple of hair turbans that are actually so old for, dry my hair. I needed one of these, so that was useful. It was actually in the menu, and I got some add-ons as well. My add-ons, they supplied me at a deep discount this eye cream. I selected that, which is Dr. Brandt DNA eye cream. I want to give that a try. I also added on Beauty Blender, the mini blenders, because I have actually got the bigger Beauty Blender, and the comparison between that and normal foundation blenders, makeup blenders, there's no comparison. It's entirely different substance and texture and so on. And so impressed with the real Beauty Blender. I actually wanted to get these two minis that were available as an add-on. I added on a bracelet set. Let's come apart here slightly. It's three little bracelets that I know I'd wear these a lot because I wear my Georgiana ones, and I don't want to wear my Georgiana ones as general day wear because they were quite expensive. So I wanted something cheaper, and I know that how much I wear my Georgiana ones going out, that I thought a set of 3 cheaper for daytime type wear would be very, very useful. Got myself a wooden hairbrush. Underrated, it's cool, and it's wrapped up in a nice little carry bag, so that'll be good for packing and for keeping clean. Hair paddle brush, I think you call them. Do you maybe? Anyway, so I've always wanted a wooden hairbrush, so I just thought, yes, good opportunity to get that. And I also ordered a necklace from Bauble Bar because we don't get Bauble Bar here. And that was a very, very pretty necklace, I thought. That's my collection. And that, little bag here, that is my box. If you want to know how it works, just keep on watching and I will explain to you. If not, just subscribe and you know, I do many other videos, so just give me a subscribe and leave now. If you're staying to find out how FabFitFun works, it's a subscription box that you sign up for. The most frequent will be quarterly. I think you can sign up for just one box, but I signed up for quarterly, and in the UK that cost me, once it was translated into sterling, it was about £200 for the 4. So each box is approximately £50. When it's delivered, you're not returning anything, but you can, if you go for the annual subscription, as I did, you can self-select 5 items in the menu. So there are up to 5 categories, and each category has a selection of items. And in each category, if you are able to self-select because you've got the annual subscription, you can choose which item in that category you want. So in category 1, I chose the scarf. In another category, I chose the hair wrap. In another category, I chose the cheese board. And each category has a different selection of items. And if you don't choose something, you can just go for a sort of lucky dip. They don't call it that, but that's basically what it is. They'll just send you an item. I think there were 7 items there. So 5 I'd self-selected and 2 others were additional items that I didn't have an option to self-select. I'm fairly sure I got 7 items. So the scarf, the cheese board, the Aveda hair rinse, the hair turban, the body cream, and the Bauble Bar ear crawlers were worked out as approximately £50 for the lot, which I actually think is pretty good value. Very good value, actually. If what's on the menu is what you would want, what you need, what you like. So it really depends on the menu being good. I thought this wasn't a bad menu, to be honest. So that's the autumn box, the fall box. And so if you're going to use everything, and it is what you would like, £50 not a bad price. So I certainly like my cheese board, I like the scarf, I like the hair wrap. That's all stuff that I would otherwise have wanted or bought anyway, so no, absolutely fine. But in addition to that, when they're just before they're packing your box, they give you an option to add on some other items that they've sourced elsewhere and pay extra for, that are deeply discounted. So this is where this lot came in. So for instance, the hairbrush, I thought, you know, that was good. Fancied the hairbrush, that was a good price. The toner I ordered separately. The bracelets, the pendant necklace, and the beauty blenders, the mini beauty blenders. Where have they gone now? They're around somewhere. The mini beauty blenders as well, they were also part of the add-ons, and they were so deeply discounted. It just seems such a good price to add those onto the box. And they came to adding in the prices anyway, as you'll see. So I think for me, I'm really pleased with that box. I actually got some good things that I will find really useful, that I will otherwise use, and I would have otherwise bought anyway, and I think I got them at a good price. So I'm looking forward now to my winter box, but I'm pleased with my fall box, autumn box, and yeah, I'm pleased I've subscribed for this year. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please do subscribe to my channel, and watch out for other videos. I've done Stitch Fix, I've done Look Hero, Costco hauls, and I also do lookbooks on clothing and style and fashion, and also some beauty videos as well. So thank you for visiting, thank you for watching, and hope you enjoyed it. And see you again another day.